Hello everyone and welcome back to another daily tutorial. And today, well, this is more of a guide, not a tutorial, as this is not really a step-by-step process and you can't exactly follow these steps and guarantee success. So, the best way to get monetized in 2025, if we go over to the monetization requirements, right, you need 1,000 subscribers. I've made a video about the best way to do that. In the description, it'll be linked. And 4,000 watch time hours, I've also done that. And there's another way, which is getting 10 million views in the last 90 days, which is doable, but in my opinion, it is way more difficult than getting 4,000 watch time hours. So I'll be going with 4,000 watch time hours as the base one. And I have linked both of those videos down in the description below. Now, step 1, you need to break down your objectives. So, you don't want to get 4,000 watch time hours in a year, you want to get 11 watch time hours in a day, which makes it seem like a lot lower of a number and makes it easier to stay motivated for longer periods of time when you will be getting 7 watch time hours, 6 watch time hours per day, instead of feeling like, oh, that's like what 1,000th of what I need. It's actually half of what you need. It's more than half, actually, which is just a way more healthy mindset for a YouTuber. Now, when you are in this stage of your YouTube career, you also shouldn't be focusing on the end goal, which is monetization, and that shouldn't even be the end goal. You should be doing this for fun. But undeniably, monetization is a big thing for creators to reach, and once you reach monetization, obviously, you will want to start making money on your content once you start reaching these monetization objectives. So that is completely fine, but that should not be the end goal or the reason that you start YouTube in the first place. So that is how to get the watch time hours out of the way. Now, with subscribers, this is the one that you should prioritize less. Now, an easy way to do this is just making 3 shorts a day with proper tags, proper titles, proper descriptions, and you will get this knocked out in about 90 days. Maybe sooner, maybe faster, maybe slower. For me personally, we can check this right now if we go to lifetime, right here, and go over to subscribers. For me personally, if we go over to see live count, and then we go to lifetime, you will see for me to get 1,000 subscribers. This is when I actually started the channel. It's July 21st. So once the channel started on July 21st, it took me, well, just about a month and a half, just basically 2 months. I'll just say 2 months. It took me 2 months to get 1,000 subscribers on the channel. And then, as you can see, the content slowed down a bit, so the growth's a bit slower, but that is how to get the subscribers out of the way. Now, subscribers, as I said before, need to be prioritized less, as you can do this over any time frame. You can get this in a year, you can get this in a decade. I just got this out of the way first, because, well, I just wanted to make edits at first. And then I realized that this can actually be a monetizable thing. So that's when I started doing this later, and then I stopped entirely because there was some other stuff that I had to deal with. But yes, that is how to get monetized in 2025. That is the best way. It's just a bit of a change of mindset for your YouTube channel. You just need to, well, focus on getting 12 watch time hours or 11 watch time hours, preferably 12 because some of them don't get counted. So 12 watch time hours every single day is a lot easier than 4,000 in 365, even though it's not. It's actually harder. It's just a lot easier on the mind, and that's what gets you to stay motivated, and that's what gets you to show up every day and make the content. So yes, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on notifications for more videos just like this one, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!